Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update. Has the monster awakened? Let's answer some questions right there. Where are we going? Do a technical analysis, find the support and resistance levels. If you want to join the monthly subscription, you will get easy profits, guys, with the automated signal selling and buying opportunities. And of course, you will know exactly when to sell and exactly when to buy your altcoins. Also, you will get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in and you can cancel anytime you like. So join in right now, buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You will find the link in the description down below. You will also find the link for the Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. And of course, you can see that in the 4-hour frame we had a huge buying pressure, almost looks like a hammer candle right there, guys. And now we want to see whether we can go and surpass our previous high formed at the 1.20 here on 7th August. Okay, so we have the 1.25, 1.30 around there, and of course we can go to 1.33 in case we surpass the next resistance levels right there. And of course we need to make 1.20 as support level first. Okay, a big bullish 4-hour frame candle right here for MATIC. Finally, we start to get some hope right there that we maybe can grow even more. Let's see on the 4-hour frame, the MACD had a bearish cross right there, but we couldn't care because we keep making higher highs and higher lows. You can see it here. We would be scared if the blue line was to go all the way down. If the blue line were to go all the way down, then yes, we would be scared, but right now we are perfectly fine. We just hope for a bullish recross between the blue line and the signal line, and of course the blue line going all the way above the previous high right here, the blue line, right? So therefore, let's see a little bit the volume before we go back into MATIC USDT on the risk metrics. You can see that the volume is not so good right now, but we are going upwards. The reason is MATIC Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin. Of course, we will see all of this. Let's go to the RSI and the risk metrics. I will remove the drawings right here and I will go to the RSI. You can see on the RSI, what we hope for is to go again into an overbought situation right here. It would be very good. On the stochastic RSI, we were in an oversold situation. If we had an impulsive wave for MATIC, then I would suggest you from the time the stochastic RSI goes in an oversold, just go in, get in and buy, okay? But for now, I don't suggest that. Also, although guys, it is very important that the stochastic RSI is still in an oversold situation. It seems that we can go even higher, and of course, the commodity channel index was not in an oversold, but you can see that first we check commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI. If the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, commodity channel index might not be getting below the -100. It might stop around there and go upwards. Same for the RSI, guys. And of course, the RSI is the last to look, but the more stable. That means the RSI is the most significant risk metric we have for the Bitcoin, for cryptocurrency market, and in general. Okay, so you can see that we found support on the 50-day EMA. We closed above the 50-day EMA, and now we want to see whether we can go all the way upwards for MATIC on the 4-hour frame, go into an overbought situation again. So let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, as you can see, we had, according to the SSL HYBRID, buying opportunity around there. We don't have, of course, selling opportunity yet. So let's see if we can go like upwards. Okay, if I close the SSL HYBRID a little bit, you will see like they look like twin tweezers. You can see that they almost are identical. This candle right here and this candle right next to it. Okay, so I would say that we might be getting a little bit more down, but now we are going all the way upwards. This is very very good for MATIC. Let's go to the Bollinger bands to see that. On the Bollinger bands, when we approach the top line, we usually get, guys, to short our position. We have a risk when we don't have an impulsive wave and we approach the top line of the Bollinger bands. Yes, we have a risk, but right now I am so curious to see that the top line you can see the top line is approaching the bottom line, and therefore once we get that, we have a squeeze point, what we call on the Bollinger Bands a squeeze point. That means, guys, we are filling up and we might get a lower volume, but therefore it is a very good opportunity to see the price going up. I am so curious to see what MATIC will do right now, because we are approaching the top line is getting closer to the bottom line, and I want to see what MATIC will do right now, how we will react and how it will react to all of this pressure right there. Okay, so let's go to the MACD. The MACD here, the blue line has gone crossed above the signal line right there, and we are going all the way up. So the MACD looks good, guys, on the daily frame. We are getting the distance needed between the blue line and the signal line. You can see here we need more distance, but anyway, it is looking good. I don't want anything right now. I don't want to whine about it, okay, because it looks good, but right now on the daily frame, you will notice that the stochastic RSI is not in an overbought situation anymore. We are dropping a little bit down. Same here for the RSI. The commodity channel index is in an overbought situation, but we don't care for now. I really hope that maybe we can see the daily RSI going above the 70. If we see that, guys, then we will surely be getting to 1.30. So cool for MATIC, and maybe this will be the start of an impulsive wave. I really hope so. But anyway, let's take it step by step. Do not be so hyped so early. And let's go to MATIC Bitcoin chart. On the MATIC Bitcoin chart, you will see that we were making some lower lows right here. We started to have some green candles right there. We are in an oversold situation for the stochastic RSI, for the commodity channel index, and almost for the RSI. I really want to see how long can MATIC go down against Bitcoin. How can we grow? If you want, let us, you know, the other part, and of course if MATIC Bitcoin chart won't let us go up, we can't go up. You can see that if we just correct for MATIC against Bitcoin, if MATIC is underperforming against Bitcoin, then how can we go upwards? Even if Bitcoin now that goes upwards, we need to see MATIC outperforming Bitcoin, and therefore MATIC will be able to go so fast into the 1.25 and 1.30. If we had a strong MATIC Bitcoin chart, then we will go upwards. The good news is that now, guys, we have an oversold situation. Although we have lost a support level right here and we make some lower lows, we have in an oversold situation for MATIC Bitcoin chart. It doesn't look like the MATIC USDT. You can see that it looks so different right there. We hope that we can go. Let's go to the daily frame a little bit to see some things. On the daily, we are below -100 for the commodity channel 2. Same here. Almost the same actually for the stochastic RSI, and the RSI is lower. It's not in an oversold situation. It is not in an oversold situation. However, what we hope for is now that the commodity channel index is in an oversold situation, we can go upwards. So on the weekly frame, you can see that we are upon the 20-day EMA, and the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. That means we might be going up. We might be going up, guys. We might have the pump needed for MATIC Bitcoin chart. And therefore, let's go to the price analysis. This will help us go to the 1.25, 1.30, 1.33. And as I've told you before, if MATIC Bitcoin won't grow, we can't grow actually if MATIC underperforms against Bitcoin, right? And of course, we need to see the momentum going into MATIC Bitcoin chart. If we don't see that, then we can't grow. And you can see that the good news is that now MATIC against Bitcoin is in an oversold situation. What we hope for is to go all the way upwards right there. If we have a significant swing high, then MATIC can easily go above the 1.20, guys, and it will be huge. It will be very huge. We had a very nice bullish candle right there. Bitcoin is going all the way upwards. You can see here it is doing fantastic on the 4-hour frame as well. You can see that we are going upwards. It didn't look like yesterday that we are going all the way down. You can see the candlesticks, guys. This correction right here is very healthy, with healthy candlesticks that they don't think and they don't show us that we would be going all the way downwards, right? They didn't show us that we would have a crash. Right now Bitcoin is going all the way upwards again. Stochastic RSI was in an oversold situation, which you can see that. Amazing, guys, amazing, in an impulsive wave mode for Bitcoin, it seems like. And of course, let's go back to MATIC and let's hope that the beast has awakened, and it will awaken more if MATIC outperforms Bitcoin. This will be great news. This will be huge news. But until then, how we are supposed to grow if you can't let us MATIC Bitcoin chart? Okay, you know the rest. But anyway, let's see now if we can go above the 1.10. We need to do that. Next resistance levels, you know them: 1.25, 1.30, 1.33. Tether USD. In case we correct a little bit, we have the 1.06, 1.03 Tether USD around there. And of course, we have one line here that I'm not sure why we don't have that. Probably, yeah, we should be having one more line right there. I will draw it by myself. And of course, I will make it a blue line so you can know that this is a support level, the one Tether USD. Of course, this is a very, very important support level, guys, that we should be having. We should be having here as a support level right there. And as you can see, MATIC now is growing all the way upwards. Bitcoin is growing too so fast. And that's the reason we are growing, because MATIC against Bitcoin right now isn't performing so well, but we don't underperform in the last hours. You can see that we formed some small green candles right there. The good part is that we are in an oversold situation. We just hope not to just have and see the lower lows anymore. Let's hope that we can have a very, very significant swing high and we can go upwards. Okay, so you know the next resistance levels. I am optimistic that we can go there, because I always want to be honest with you and I always want to be specific about the resistance levels and the next price targets. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will get easy profits with automated selling signals and of course buying opportunities and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and when to sell, educational videos, personal guidance, many more benefits. Link is in the description down below for it and for the Telegram group chat as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.